Okay, let's have a look. I'll call this on turn 3. The goal there is to get as close as possible again to the apex and set up for this left-hander, turn 4. What I like to do here, because I've got all this this leftward bias, is I like to try and flatten the cart out a bit just before my step in. I find usually getting off the gas back here, I've been finding lately when I'm running in the the mid 28s, is that getting off the gas earlier and settling the cart back here and then getting on the gas about here gives you a longer back straight and you get better RPM through this back section. But in order to do that, you need to flatten the wheel slightly here. So we'll see my steering input. You can see how it's kind of flattening out. So I've got input, rotation, and we flatten the back wheel a bit. That flattening tends to shift the weight to the back rather than leaving the back kind of light, which is the big problem on this turn, is that as we get about here, the back gets light. And you can see here, the back actually steps out a little bit on me right here. Bam. So the trick here, I find, is to get off early, set early, and you can get on the gas early. And flatten a bit here, and then back on the input. Your goal is to find yourself at this point on the track. So, good that at speed. You'll notice I'm modulating on the gas and then getting back on at the right at the plastic. Off, on. Off, on. So it sounds like I'm accelerating through to here, and I get off and then on again. Actually, we can see the pedal changing. Let's see if we can watch the gas. Oh, I might have actually modulated back here on this one. No brake, of course. On the gas, I'm off, and I get on. Yeah, I'm definitely pressing down right there. You can see the gas come down. I might have been blipping a couple of times, like down, up, down, down. Often I will try a double blip if I'm looking for stability at that apex. So it's a quick blip here, a release, and then a squeeze from here. There seems to be many ways on this turn. It depends on the cart, what it's going to do. But I would recommend trying to modulate earlier, then do something here to get balance, to get weight to go back to the rear, either release the steering, coast more, blip, so that you can get on the gas earlier, say from back here, and power through and get yourself out of here. Important thing, again, is to get rear downforce into the cart early. You know, you can go hot. It feels like you can go hot, full throttle, all the way to here, and then do some modulation. But what I find if I do that is I'll get loose around here, and I'll have a hard time in the exit. So I usually find it, unless the cart's really hot and you're in an enduro, it's usually best to try and modulate way back here.